I want to begin series on discipleship. In the subsequent days, you'll be hearing messages on discipleship. Now, let me start with 10 things that discipleship is not. There are 10 concepts that people associate with discipleship, and they are all wrong. We are in the days of adulteration and bastardization. So you need to check if any of these 10 is your experience. Then you are not yet in biblical discipleship. Number 1, discipleship is not a new thing. It is not a new doctrine. It is not a new invention. Discipleship is as old as Genesis. Number 2, discipleship is not church membership. There are many who are members of local churches but never born again. They are never born of God. Number 3, it is not a religious sect, a cult, C-U-L-T, or another denomination in disguise. Number 4, discipleship is not a theory. It is not a course. It's not a theological course. It is not a religious academic program or a classwork. Number 5, discipleship is not attaching yourself to any man as parasite to use the man to achieve your own self-interest. Number 6, discipleship is not following human dogmas or being adherent to an ascetic human style. This is lifeless, and it will make you a religious bigot or fanatic. Number 7, it is not being a stooge of the manipulation of any so-called God servants to lord it over you and to boss you around in selfish activities. Number 8, discipleship is not religious fatherhood or the self-acclaimed spiritual fatherhood of charlatans, impostors, and vagabonds who claim they have spiritual cover over the ignoramuses. Number 9, discipleship is not mentorship, even though they look alike, in an experienced person guiding a less experienced one. The core difference is the goal. Discipleship and mentorship, they look alike, but they are not the same. Mentorship aims to help you reach your maximum potential and become like the mentor, whereas biblical discipleship is the intentional process of helping you to become more and more like Jesus Christ. And lastly, number 10, what discipleship is not. It is not teaching biblical truth, even though it is part of it. But it is just like saying serving delicious food is all it takes for a child to grow responsibly. Like this video, share it, and let me again invite you to join the saints of God in an intensive training on equipping for destiny. Yeah, click the link below for details. God bless you.